Hi, this is Basic Chemistry. Today I will discuss on heterocyclic acid-base chemistry. This type of reaction are very important. So before starting with the previous year question, let's clear some of the concepts. There is a primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Now, what is the basicity order of these three amine? Now, in basic trend, in aqueous solvent, there with increasing the alkyl group, it have a plus I inductive effect. Therefore, with increasing the R group, the number of R group, the basicity of that particular nitrogen atom increases, because the electron density over the nitrogen atom increases due to the plus I effect of R group. Now, according to this theory, NH3 is less basic than secondary amine, and secondary amine is less basic than tertiary amine. Now this is the trend in non-polar solvent. But in aqueous medium, the trend is little different. To define which is more basic, therefore we have to define whose conjugated acid is more stable. Now to define that, in this case, there is 4 hydrogen. This is the conjugated acid form. Now as there is a 4 hydrogen in aqueous solvent, this 4 hydrogen can take part in hydrogen bonding 4 times. Similarly for these 2 hydrogen also. But in case of dialkylated, where these 2 hydrogen replaced by R group, there are only 2 hydrogen left which undergo solvation. But in case of trialkyl, there only 1 hydrogen undergoes for the stabilization. Therefore, there is a 2 trend. One is due to increasing of the R group, the I effect increases, the basicity increases, as well as with increasing the R group, the conjugated acid stability decreases in aqueous medium. Therefore, maintaining these 2 factor, the basicity order in aqueous layer is that the triethylamine is less basic than secondary amine, but the tertiary amine is less basic than primary amine and secondary amine. Okay, this is the basic fundamental concept of acid base. To define which is a strong base, we have to first consider about its conjugated acid stability. So in this question we have to define the basicity order, increasing or decreasing basicity order. So define that, we have to first consider stability of its conjugated acid. Now for this compound, after its conjugated acid look like this, after the protonation of that, the aromaticity of that compound losses. But for B and C, the protonation occur at this sp2 nitrogen, therefore they remain aromatic. Therefore as it is a non-aromatic, therefore the stability conjugated acid is less, therefore it is the least basic. But between B and C, we have to now consider the resonance structure. For in case of B, we can draw a resonance structure, we can look like this. Due to this type of resonance, it will get a structure like this. And another structure due to different type of resonance will be like this. This is a less stable structure, but for in this case there will be 2 structure as well. One structure will be like this, another structure will be now. In this case, the negative charge, this is a similar type of resonance structure, but in this case, for the second canonical structure, the negative charge in between two nitrogen atom, but in this case the negative charge beside of one nitrogen atom. Therefore this structure is less stable than this canonical structure. Therefore this conjugated acid is more stable than compound B. So C is the more basic because its conjugated acid is more stable than B, and A is least basic because it loses aromaticity after protonation. So the answer is 3, right? Now let's discuss a question appears on GATE 2010. It's very simple question. We have to say most acidic species. Now we can say which one is more acidic. That will define after releasing a proton among them whose conjugated base is more stable. After releasing a proton, which structure get more stability? To define that, if this structure compound A release a proton, it will be a general this type of structure, there is no additional stability. But in case of B, if this type of structure releases one proton, then it will be a aromatic system, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2 of from nitrogen to 6 pi electron, therefore it is a aromatic. So after releasing a electron, it will get the aromaticity, therefore the structure B is more acidic species. But in case of D, there the positive charge over the nitrogen atom stabilized by the lone pair of the diethylamine. In case of C, there is no such driving force of aromaticity which present in case of B. Therefore the answer is B, right? Now come to the next question. The next question appears on NET 2014 December. In this question, the decreasing order of basicity of the following compound. In case of 1, after if we think about the conjugated acid, after protonation it will look like this. After protonation there will be positive charge, and this positive charge will be stabilized through this type of resonance. There will be one resonance structure. In compound 2, there also will be similar type of stability as compound 1, which is like this. The corresponding acid will be like this, and it will get stability in this way. Now between 1 and 2, the contribution of this lone pair to stabilize this conjugated acid form is higher, because this lone pair only can go to contribute this type of resonance structure, but this lone pair can go this way. Similarly, it also can go this way. So the stability of this type of conjugated acid is less than this type of structure. 2 is more basic than 1 because the contribution of lone pair is higher, therefore this conjugated acid is more stable. Now in case of 3, this is a guanidine like structure. Therefore after the protonation, corresponding this conjugated acid gets stabilized through 2 nitrogen lone pair from this way, similarly from this way. Therefore there is a more number of canonical structure, therefore this type of structure is more stabilized. This corresponding conjugated acid is more stabilized, therefore 3 is more basic than 2 and 2 is more basic than 3. But in case of pyridine, there is no one to stable the corresponding conjugated acid, right? Therefore this is the least basic. So the answer is 3. Is it clear? If there is any problem, please comment me below and let me know. Now come to our last question. It is very important. we have to calculate the pK value. More the pK value, more the basicity, less the pK value, more the acidic. Now we have to now calculate which is more acidic. To calculate that, we have to think the corresponding conjugated base stability. In first case, if there is a nitrogen negative charge over that, we have to think about the conjugated acid. Now that can take part in conjugation with this as well as with this ketoamide, right? But this ketoamide also take conjugation with this double bond, and this ketoamide also take conjugation with this amide. So this type of conjugation is not that such strong, but in case of compound 2, there one is cyanide group and another side is a positive charge containing 2 nitrogen. So this is a strongly electron withdrawing group, and another side is cyanide, which is also a strong electron withdrawing group. So therefore the conjugated base of that compound 2 is strongly stable. Therefore 2 is more acidic than compound 1. So the pK value of 2 is less than compound 1. Now in case of 3, this hydrogen is not that much strongly acidic because there is no such strong electron withdrawing group as in case of compound 2. There is a cyanide and there is a strong 2 nitrogen and 1 positive charge, which is strongly electron withdrawing group, and there is only, and not also like compound 1, because after forming a negative charge over there, there is no such resonance stability. There is an electron withdrawing group, but that is not that much because there is no resonance stability of that negative charge. Therefore this is a less acidic hydrogen and more basic. Therefore the 3 is highest in pKa value. The correct answer is this, and the option is 3, right? This type of question repeatedly come in every year in CSIR NET as well as GATE in IIT JAM also. So please take in mind, and you can go through Peter Sykes. There is a basic concept of acid base. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorial, and for any problem you can ask me on comment box. Thank you.